Hello and welcome to a Datalinks video for Warehouse Manager 200 for Sage 200. Today we are looking at sales order packing, order 591 on my system here. It has previously been picked and it's for 20 blenders. On the handheld device I can go into my sales order options and I can select my picking and packing option and find my pack and dispatch. I can look up the order in a number of ways. Today I'll be using the list view. This will sort any relevant order that's in the correct status to be dispatched into priority code order, sales order priority here, and then promised date order. As I scroll down, we will see that priority A's sit above priority B's, and the order I'm looking for, number 591, is in the list. I can input the order at the top here, or I can select it by double clicking on that order. We can now see what needs to be packed. So we've got our stock code, our quantity that needs to be packed. If any have previously been packed, they're shown at the bottom of the screen here, and also the operator who picked the order. At this stage I can pack in any order, so I'll scan the product I would like to pack, and we are prompted to tell the system which packing box we are placing the item into. I've got a secondary scan to allow me to confirm I've put the correct item into the box, and I can confirm how many items I've put in that particular box. I can also print customer specific labeling, so it's prompting to say did we need any labels here. And as I confirm this, it will drop me back to my list view, but it's now showing that we still need to pack a total of 20 blenders, but we have previously packed 10, and at the bottom in more detail we can see that. To close a box I can press my function key and select packed. It now prompts packing box number 2. Confirm my item, confirm how many I'm placing in the box, and again how many labels. And as I click confirm here, this will now prompt to say this item and this order has been fully packed. At this point we can produce a Sage dispatch note, so we can confirm whether we want that printed. Alongside this we can also print some Datalinks specific packing reports to itemize the contents of each individual box. Thank you very much for watching.